So we came here to party. We party every night, everybody. It's Ldizl. This is not my dog, but it's my brother's dog. I'm teaching her and she's amazing. And look at the sunsets, will you? It's just beautiful here. If we have a look to the left there, you can see how amazing it is. If we have a look to the right there, you can see how amazing it is too. And if you look behind us, that's the units that are everywhere along this beautiful spot where I live. Ready for a walk, my Ldizl? Ready? Okay. Stop. Wait. Wait. Okay. Sunset, sunset. Where you go? Oh, she got something. What do you got? 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 Ldizl. It's her first time walking after she's only done a few. So she's new and I let her smell everywhere because she's new to it. Freaking out, what is this, what is that? Would you look at the sunset already? I mean, stop it. How long we got now? 1 minute? Or we forcing past it? Copy that. That's what I'm thinking. Keep walking with it. And if there wasn't roads here, I'd be letting her run by herself. But because there's roads and other people walking, their dogs and their bikes, and she's new, she might run over to say hello to someone, but it might scare 10 people. If we don't. Behind us to the right there, we've got a mango tree. So you can see them. I mean, honestly, team, you look at it. I get to see it every day. Yeah? Every day. How are we looking, team?
2 minutes.
Yeah, well, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Now we're close to my house. I don't actually want to show my house, so I guess we're going to keep on walking. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the birds are always chirping out here too. And walking and riding bikes, if you know what I'm saying. Because she's new to the walking, I do let her smell everywhere. Otherwise I'll be telling her, don't stop as we talk about it. But she's new, okay. But yeah, she's new, so I'll let her have a sniff, see what's there, see what's there. Yeah. Have a look at team. It's a bit confusing. Can you pause it?